Hey everybody, Earl here, MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check it out, 1969 Nova SS Blue. Look at the stance, beautiful car. Nice built 355 with a 350 automatic trans. Sitting on 17-inch 45s in the front, 40s in the back on a Riddler wheel. Just done, beautiful. Great paint. Couple tiny little flaws which we'll go over, but nothing of major. Chrome is great all the way around. It's beautiful the way it lays out. Great reflection in the paint, just nice and deep. Just beautiful. Rear chrome bumper's great. Badging's good. All the way throughout. Great driver. Meat on the tires all the way around. Been well loved. Says around 71,000 miles. True to be believed on the odometer. Just what a great stance. It's beautiful. All right, let's do a little walk around on this and go through it with you so you know exactly what you're getting. Front bumper, chrome, very good condition. Badging, good shape, all the way through. All your marker lights, got a couple little fog lights in the front, really nicely done. Hood, real clean. Everything seems to be working the way it should be on this vehicle. All your turn signal lights, horns, heater. Chrome around the windows, great. All the way throughout. Wipers are intact. Roof is excellent. Chrome around the windows, vent windows, very nice to have. Chrome moldings with the blackouts in there. You saw one little chip here, right there. Chrome around the rear window. All the glass is good. Rear bumper, excellent. Badging good. SS badging. A lot of meat on the tires. Look at that. Very clean underneath. It's really nice car. The Riddler wheel. It's got power steering. Power disc brakes. Let's get up close. Nice stance with that Riddler on there. No little, tiny little chips in here, you know. But nothing. Chrome around this window's good. Good paint job. I wouldn't give it a 10, but I give it a strong 8. I'm kind of picky. If you've watched our videos, we pretty much point it all out for you. All right, we're gonna check out the cabin and see everything that's going on in there. Let's check out this cabin. Door panels in great shape. All throughout. No form of rust anywhere. Nice, clean bench seat. All your seat belts are intact. Seats are in great condition. You got a nice 6x9 in the back. 2 of them. Headliner's great shape. Dome light, of course, working, which is nice. All the way throughout. Just done right. It's got all your carpets done. You've got gauges all set up. Like I said, everything is working properly. It's got a Hurst shifter, your 350 trans, powered by a 355 built engine, nice aftermarket radio. Dash pad is in great shape. Sun visors are there. Just a lot of fine, great touches have been put into it. All your panels are good. I mean, there's nothing but, I guess, happiness on this one. You know, you don't have to do anything. It's one you don't have to do anything with. Let's fire her up. Nice. All right, you got your water prep, you got your water temp, you got your oil. That pushing nice high 60s. RPM meter. You got your voltage gauge, vacuum gauge, voltage, everything's working. Horn action. Blinkers, lights are working. Heater working. Just like it should. Listen to that. Nice little small cam in there. Show you under the hood in a second. Very important. Body panels are original. See here, all your numberings are there. Same with on the other side. Trunk is in very good shape. Spare tire. Nice little sound. Nice car. Nice built 355 engine. MSD ignition. High ride manifold. This off. Now if you're looking for financing and your score is anywhere from a 625 to a 739, go to my website, go directly to the car you're interested in, and it says apply now. All applications will be submitted, 10% down generally, maybe more. If you're a 740 or above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally, you'll get an approval if you're a 740 and above within 24 hours with them. They'll wire the money right in your account. Again, my name is Earl. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. We have delivery right to your front door, bonded and insured. You could text me or call me and I can get you some quotes, again, at my number, 773-600-0919. We're located in Addison, Illinois at 150 South Church Street. We're open from 9 until 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 until 2, by appointment only. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, MGM Classic Cars, as well as like us on Facebook at MGM Classic Cars as well. Thanks. See you soon.